Welcome to the Maths e-learning class. Dear students, in this class you are going to study the fourth chapter of your part 1 textbook, that is nothing but polynomials. Before knowing about the polynomials, you should recall some of the things that you have already learned in your previous class, means 8th standard. That is algebraic expression. What is the meaning of algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is an expression that has variable and constant along with the algebraic operations. I'll repeat the things. Algebraic expression is an expression made up of variable and constant along with the algebraic operations. Algebraic operations are addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. Okay, I'll give an example. X is a variable. Along with it, I'll write a constant 3x. Now, I'll write one more variable. If I connect it by minus, that is an algebraic operation. Now, the result, this is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression you should know about a polynomial. In this chapter, we are going to study about a polynomial of one variable. Now, what is the meaning of a polynomial of one variable? Polynomial of one variable means is an algebraic expression having one variable whose exponent of the variable of power exponent should be a whole number. Exponent should be a whole number. I'll repeat. Polynomial is an algebraic expression having one variable having a whole number as an exponent. For example, if I write 3x plus 7, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Now, if I write 3x cubed plus 7x, it is a polynomial. Actually, variable. Other power it should be a whole number. If I write like this, it is not a polynomial because a variable should possess or should have a power as whole number. Power whole number ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ polynomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Is an algebraic expression having a variable whose exponent should be a whole number. Now there are different types of polynomials. Very type of polynomials. It depends upon the terms, number of terms. We classify the algebraic expression as monomial, and you have to write monomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ an algebraic expression having only one term or a polynomial having only one term, that is called monomial. Example, 3x is a monomial. What do you mean by binomial? Binomial is an algebraic expression. It is having two terms. Trinomial is an algebraic expression having three terms. Is it clear? Right? Now, about the coefficient in an algebraic expression. I'll write an algebraic expression 3x squared plus 7x plus 1. It is an algebraic expression. It has three terms, therefore it is a trinomial. Now, what is the numerical coefficient of x? What is the numerical coefficient of x? Numerical means number. It has plus 7. Plus 7 is the numerical coefficient. What is the coefficient of x squared? Coefficient of x squared is 3. Coefficient of x squared is 3. Now, the next thing you should know in this chapter, that is degree of a polynomial. Now, what do you mean by a degree of a polynomial? I'll define the degree of polynomial. It was mentioned in your textbook. That is very important concept. Degree of a polynomial. We are considering a polynomial of one variable. A variable, power of the variable or exponent of the variable. Highest exponent or highest power of a polynomial, that is called its degree. For example, I'll clear it with an example. Okay, 3y to the power 7 plus 3y to the power 5 plus 7. This is a polynomial Now here degree of this polynomial variable na highest power highest exponent ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು degree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Here degree of the polynomial is 7. Degree it is 7. Now depending upon the degree we can tell it as we will assign some names to the polynomial. For example 3z, here it is a polynomial of one variable. Here the variable it is z, and power is how much? Power it is 1. Therefore it is called linear polynomial. What do you mean by linear polynomial? A polynomial having degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. I'll write one more example, that is 3m square plus 7. Now this is a polynomial. Variable it is m. What is its power? m na power ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಂಟು 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 2. Therefore it is called quadratic polynomial. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ quadratic polynomial ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Now if I write like this 3m square plus 7m cube plus 5. Now this is a polynomial having degree how much? Degree highest power ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಂಟು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ 3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ degree of this polynomial is 3. Therefore it is called cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 it is called what? Linear polynomial. It is called linear polynomial. Polynomial having degree 2 it is called what? It is called quadratic polynomial. It is called quadratic polynomial. Polynomial having degree 3 it is called cubic polynomial. It is called cubic polynomial. Now if a polynomial, there are some polynomials, we call it as a constant polynomial. What do you mean by a constant polynomial? ಆ polynomial ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ 5 ಅಂತ. It is a constant polynomial. 5 is a constant polynomial. They may ask, this is very important, they may ask in exam, what is the degree of a constant polynomial? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, x ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. What is the degree of it? 0. Because x to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5. Value change ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Now one more thing, constant polynomial ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. ಆ ಪಾಠ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿವರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾ ಝೀರೋ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪಾಠ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಝೀರೋ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಝೀರೋ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಝೀರೋ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ this one constant polynomial whose value is 0, that is called zero polynomial. What is the degree of a zero polynomial? We cannot assign any degree for a zero polynomial. Zero polynomial ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? I can give x to the power, it again becomes 0. x to the power 2 ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore not defined. Degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, this things it is very important. And next I will go to the exercise problem that I will give it is you have to try. That is very simple, that you have to try as a homework. Okay, now the next concept of that lesson is zeros of a polynomial. A polynomial of variable x, it is denoted as polynomial of x. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, polynomial of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೇನೆ polynomial, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತದೆ? x ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x square minus x plus 1 is the polynomial having variable x. Now what is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial? Zeros of the polynomial, so clear, zeros of the polynomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು zeros of the polynomial ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? Now for this variable, if I assign some value for this variable, then if the value of the polynomial becomes 0, then that value, the given value, that is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So definition is equal to if p of x is the polynomial, then for x is equal to some value, call it as a and ಯಾವುದೇ number 1 -1 -3 like that. If I assign this value to x, then if the value of the polynomial becomes 0, then a is called what? A is called 0 of the polynomial. A is called 0 of the polynomial. ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂಲಕ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 0 of the polynomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. I'll give an example. ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. If p of x is equal to x minus 5, p of x is equal to x minus 5, then check whether x is equal to 5 is a 0 of the polynomial. Check whether x is equal to 5 is 0 of the polynomial. Check whether it is 0 of the polynomial. Now, what is the meaning of it? If I assign 5 to x, then what happens? In the place of x, I will write 5. It is 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is how much? 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now, at x is equal to 5, value of the polynomial becomes 0. Therefore, 5 is called 0 of the polynomial. Yes, 5 is called 0 of the polynomial. This is very important. 0 of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ x ಗೆ 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ that you have to find value of the polynomial. For example, find value of the polynomial, value of p of x, that is equal to x square minus 7x minus 3 at x is equal to minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1, you have to find the value. ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. I have taken a general problem. You have the same method. By using the same method in a similar manner, you have to ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 of the polynomial ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. For a given point, for the given value of x, you have to find what? Value of this polynomial. I'll substitute that minus 1 here. P of minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1 minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 1 square is to minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus into minus plus 7 minus 3. Now, value of the polynomial, this is the same sign, plus 8 minus 3, therefore p of minus 1, that is plus 5. This is value of the polynomial and find ಮಾಡುವಂತ ರೀತಿ. Now, one example problem it is here in your textbook that you have to check whether the given numbers are the 0 of the polynomial. On the example problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Check 0 and I think 2. 0 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial. Check whether zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Either zeros ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. Check whether x is equal to 0. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now, I will solve this by using a different method. ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು? x ಗೆ 0 ಕೊಡು, ಆಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರ್ತದ ನೋಡಿ. x ಗೆ 2 ಕೊಡು, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರ್ತದ ಚೆಕ್. That is one of them. If I want to get a 40 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. x square minus 2x, this is a polynomial. If I substitute a 0 of the polynomial, think that 0 is the 0 of the polynomial, ಆಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, solve this. I can take x as the common factor variable. X into x is x square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now product is 0. It implies that x is equal to 0. One answer. Or x is minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to how much? X is equal to 2. These are the zeros of the polynomial. These are the two zeros of the polynomial. This is the method to find the zeros of the polynomial. This is the method to check whether they are zeros or not. Zeros ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, now in the next one, I think 4.2 exercise, they are asked you to find the value of the polynomial ಅನ್ನು find ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, zeros of the polynomial ಅನ್ನು find ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, I will move with one more problem. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. For example, I think the last subunit of the exercise 4.2. Find the zeros of the polynomial. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ polynomial ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇದರ zeros ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು find ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, first one, p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. How to find the zeros of this polynomial? First ಆ polynomial ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೇ polynomial ನ zeros find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ equated to 0. ಯಾಕೆ equated to 0 ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? Because if I substitute some value for x, then value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 0. ಆಗ 2x is equal to transpose this 5, it becomes minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. That is one of the zero of this part. I'll take one more problem. If p of x is equal to ax plus b. Now how to get the zeros of the polynomial? Same time. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Transpose this b. Ax is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b by a. I'll take the third problem. P of x is equal to 5y. Now 5y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 by 5. 0 by any number is 0. Now this is also 0 of 1. In this manner you can find zeros of the polynomial. In the next class we are seeing the other problems related to that exercise. Students, you have to solve exercise 1, that is 4.1, and exercise 4.2, that is homework for you. You have to neatly solve in your notes book, and you have to write down that degree of the polynomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, algebraic expression ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್